Did you know that there are different types of interactive e-learning prototypes? Yes, there are. And today we will be discussing them, how they are unique, and what their characteristics are.
First up is Wireframe Prototype, a foundational mock-up that focuses on the layout and structural elements of an e-learning course and provides a skeletal framework without detailed design elements, helping designers and stakeholders visualize the course's overall structure and flow before delving into the design specifics. Second is Clickable Prototype, which add basic interactions to wireframe structures and allow users to navigate through the course flow and interact with simple elements, providing hands-on experience for stakeholders to test before advancing to more complex elements. Third, Interactive Simulations Prototypes, which replicate software applications, equipment operations, etc., and offer learners a hands-on experience by immersing them in realistic scenarios, enhancing engagement, retention, and skill development. The fourth type is Gamified Prototype, which leverages game elements such as points, levels, etc., and transforms traditional e-learning content into interactive and competitive experiences, thus encouraging learners to progress and achieve goals. Lastly, the fifth type on our list is Branching Scenarios Prototype, which presents learners with realistic scenarios and challenges them to apply their knowledge and skills to navigate through various outcomes, allowing them to experience the impact of their choices and develop critical thinking and decision-making skills. So I hope you have understood well the different types of prototypes and which is needed for which stage of development and for what kind of e-learning material. Choose the one you think you need the most right now and start making it. If you are not already subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscribe icon right now so you don't miss anything in the future. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon with another insightful video.